What's happening, guys? Welcome to RCH Tech TV. This is Honor 9 Lite, which has been recently launched, and today in this video let's unbox it. Let's have a look at fingerprint sensor performance. Let's also check if this comes with gyroscope, and finally let's also listen to sound quality. Now this actually comes in two variants, one which has 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of in-built storage, and the other one which has 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of in-built storage. Now 3 plus 32 combination is priced at 11,000 rupees, and 4 plus 64 combination should be available at 15,000 rupees. Now this actually comes with that Kirin 659 octa-core processor. It's the same processor which is found on Honor 7X, and this comes with 3000 milliampere battery and a 5.65 inch full view display, that is 18:9, that is which comes with 18:9 aspect ratio. So this is the phone. Let's actually take it out of the plastic wrap, and let's remove the sticker, and I believe we also have one on the front side. No, it's pretty clean on the front side. And the SAR value which is being mentioned is 1.06 watt per kg, which is well below India standards of 1.6 watt per kg. They haven't mentioned whether it's for head or body. But anyways, guys, this actually comes with that glass back panel. So as you can see, which should make the device look and feel way more premium than other devices. So this is Honor 7X. So this comes with the metal back. As you can see, this looks pretty premium. Now glass back panel actually looks and feels very premium, but at the same time it's a fingerprint magnet. As you can see, it attracts a lot of fingerprints, and it also easily slips out of your hands, so it's always a good idea to add a case. Next best feature of Honor 9 Lite is it comes with the quad cameras. That is, it has a dual camera setup on the rear side, 13 plus 2 megapixel, and it also has a dual camera setup on the front side. It also has the resolution of 13 plus 2 megapixel. So in total, it has that quad cameras, that is 4 cameras, which should help you take that better portraits with enhanced bokeh effect, right? So let's quickly power this on, and let's see what else comes in the box. So in the box we have quick start guide and warranty card. We also get a case, which is very important, which is good to see that they have included this in the box. And apart from that, we have a USB cable. Let's see if it's Type C or micro USB. It's a standard USB to micro USB cable, and let's see the rating of the charger. It has an output of 5 volts at 2 amps, so it's not a fast charger. So let's keep this aside, and we don't get headphones in the box. Let's see. Yeah, we don't get headphones in the box, and we also have a SIM ejector pin. So let's keep all these things aside, and let's have a closer look at the device itself. Alright guys, I have set up the device. Now quickly, before we look into some device specific details, let's check the fingerprint sensor performance. So as you can see, it's very fast, very responsive, and very accurate at the same time, just like Honor 7X. So as you can see, it's pretty fast. Alright guys, now out of the box it runs on EMUI 8.0, which is actually built on Android Oreo, which is pretty good thing. And if we have to look at storage and RAM scenario, so let's go to storage. So as you can see, I've just installed CPU-Z application, guys. So apart from that, I haven't installed any heavy applications. As you can see, out of that 32 GB, 22.57 GB is free. And if you have to look at memory, there is RAM scenario. So out of that 3 GB, like 1.29 GB is free. Alright guys, this actually comes with 5.65 inch Full HD panel with that famous 18:9 aspect ratio. Let me just increase the brightness. So as you can see, it can get pretty bright. I have a window on the left side. It can get pretty bright. And this is Honor 7X, guys, if I have to compare the size. So this is like 5.93 inch and this is 5.65 inch. So as you can see, single-handed usability is very much possible on Honor 9 Lite. So as you can see, it's pretty comfortable to hold in single hand. So one-handed usability is very much possible, while Honor 7X feels a little bit taller, right? And I'll be comparing Honor 7X and Honor 9 Lite, plus I'll be comparing Honor 9 Lite with Mi A1 as well. So if you have any video requests, let me know in the comment section. I'll make sure that it's done. Alright guys, now before we look into sound quality, let's see if this has gyroscope. Now the reason why I'm actually testing is Honor 7X had gyroscope out of the box, but it was disabled. They had to enable it later with an OTA update. But as you can see, Honor 9 Lite out of the box has gyroscope. We'll just check this through a 360 video. I have loaded that. So let's go to YouTube. So let's see if it works fine. Alright guys, as you can see, I can easily navigate across the video. So gyroscope, this should prove that gyroscope is present on Honor 9 Lite and it works perfectly fine, right? And so guys, quickly let's have a look at the sound quality through speaker. So that's it guys, as mentioned earlier, complete list of specification and buying links are given in the description box below. Kindly check them out. And if you feel this video was informative, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, follow us on Twitter at RGHTechTV, subscribe to us on YouTube. Most importantly, thanks for watching and I'll see you real soon.